So I'm Nicholas Odet, Hardis Group president. I'm in the company for 25 years, so very own story. And we are currently expanding worldwide with our solutions, supply chain software solutions, and especially in the US for a few months from now. So we are working in several areas. We are coming from the field directly, so very, very connected to operations in warehouses, factories, in store, and so on. So we help customers manage their operations, optimize them, enhancing performance, and so on. So that's the core solution, also using some algorithms to, again, optimize flow. That's it. And then we have also a visibility platform, allowing customers to connect whatever WMS. If they choose ourselves, it's a best option, definitely, but they can use other WMS, TMS, and so on. So connect all the systems, but also connect all the stakeholders in the supply chain to manage unified inventories, order tracking, claim management, and so on. I think that you have lots of vendors pretending exactly the same thing, so well-established ones. What we have, which is maybe different, is the way we implement the solution and the way we interact with customers. We are really sticking to concrete things, being in warehouses with our customers to really understand their processes, what they want to get from the solution, and then implement it. It's a highly configurable software, but if you want to configure it the best way, you have to create intimacy with the people, with the processes, and with the challenges. The idea is, again, to use AI to optimize the same kind of processes, And there is a high level of promise on AI. You have pure players entering the game. But finally, if you don't benefit from all data you have in all the systems and so on, if you don't understand the process very well, it's not so valuable to activate AI. If you know the processes, if you have this intimacy with the challenges, you can use it the best way to really create value and with no gap between the promise and what you really deliver. I think that having the ability to connect the ecosystem, and to share some insights, some data and so on, will bring to the next stage. There is also something which is very, very important. At the same time, you have to benefit from AI, implement automation. So connection with between physical world and data AI is something which will be really crucial.